Hey YouTube, what's good? I'm back again with another video. I already did my hair because I honestly wasn't sure if it was gonna turn out, so I didn't want to like bring y'all with me on that process because it was a journey and I had to go to Sally's and like get a bunch of shit. I'm gonna take these off real quick since I'm about to be doing my makeup. I feel like they're just gonna get in the way and I'm not in the mood to be fucking dealing with that shit. Today for the makeup look, I wanted to do what guys think no makeup is, because I feel like there's always like that guy that's gonna be like, oh, I like my girls super natural, and then like it'll be like, okay, like show me what the fuck you're talking about, and then they like show you a picture and it's like a girl with like a full fucking face. She just did it to where it looked natural, you feel me? But it's like, little do they know that it's literally like 5 pounds of makeup and like all the same fucking steps. So I kind of wanted to do that today because I feel like the hair's already like giving girly, like I might as well just like go with it. So first though, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on because I honestly haven't done that. Oh shit, and I also need to take off this star. And I also just gave myself a fucking face wax. All right, now that the moisturizer is on, I'm gonna just like put this piece like out the way because I just know it's gonna get fucked up and I'm gonna have to like re-straighten it anyways. All right, so basically we want this to look natural, right? Like we need to just like finesse and trick these men into thinking that we got no makeup on, even though we do. Cleo, I know you're not doing that shit right now. He's always trying to fucking interrupt my fucking videos with his fucking licking and shit. Like, I'm out of eyebrow color, whatever, powder. So I'm gonna just use like this palette. It's the Lorac Pro Matte palette. And I'm gonna go in with like the chocolate shade, like right here on the corner. Yeah, don't look at me like that either. I swear to God, that attitude's crazy. And I'm gonna just like lightly like fill it in. I don't wanna go super dark because it's like we're trying to like pretend like my brows are just like this naturally. Also for the concealer, I think we should use like a more natural concealer. Usually I use like the Huda Beauty concealer, but that bitch is full coverage. And I'm like in between the Kosas and the House Labs one. This is literally like the most fucking natural concealer I've ever used. Like it's almost like not even concealer because I swear it doesn't really like cover up anything that I need it to. So I'm gonna just take this Kosas one. It's the Kosas Revealer Concealer 1.5C, and I'm gonna just use this like on my face for like the red spots because that shit needs to get covered up. Alright, and then for the House Labs concealer, it's in number 4, Fair Neutral. Next, I'm gonna bring out this Morphe M421 brush, I'm pretty sure, yeah. And I'm gonna just, where's my mirror? Carve out the brows like normal. And I'm gonna actually do this shit off camera because I already have a brow tutorial up, and if you wanna watch it, it's gonna be linked up here somewhere. Alright, so I just concealed the brows. I haven't like blended shit out yet, so don't fucking say nothing. I literally don't wanna hear it because we're not done. I'm gonna blend out little like spots and whatever, and I'm gonna see if we still need to put like foundation on, but I have like the Kosas foundation, and that's like pretty much like the most natural that I have. I feel like do it. I'm gonna just do like a little bit. This isn't like a no makeup look because these men are stupid and they think like, but I just like how I like to do my makeup is it looks like makeup, you know what I'm saying? Like what the fuck am I putting in all this time and effort for if it's not gonna look like makeup? Like please. I'm going with the Fenty Beauty contour stick like fucking always. I'm hella fucking predictable with the shit at this point. Ain't shit changed over here. But I'm gonna literally just put it on my cheeks. Oh, I'm gonna also actually put it on my nose because I'm not really gonna do a nose contour. I'm gonna just do a little sun so that it's not like bare, you feel me? Then I'm gonna just blend it out. And make sure you're tapping, not smudging, because we're smearing or whatever. We're supposed to make this look as natural as possible, and you want it to get like this airbrushed look, you feel me? Like so that it looks like you don't have makeup on, like as much as possible. Like how would you not know that I already have makeup on? Like I can't. The logic is crazy. But that's why they think like some women are just like ugly, even though it's like nah, like this is literally what women look like naturally. Like we're still fucking humans. But like they really like be thinking that like women wake up like looking like this with like contour and fucking mascara and like lips and like no fucking acne and like pores or whatever. Alright, what's next? Oh shit, I forgot to blend out the nose. Why didn't you guys say anything? You were really gonna like let me look stupid as fuck. I feel like next is like blush. Cause they be thinking we also have like rosy cheeks naturally, which like some bitches do, and like how does it feel to be God's favorite? But like some of us don't. If you're anything like me, then you don't. I'm gonna just take this milk like blush, and I'm gonna just put it on the brush first because it's like easier than just like going straight in, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like debating if I should even do like concealer underneath my eyes, but I feel like if I were to do like a no makeup look or like a natural makeup look, I would keep my bags and everything. But since men think that we don't wake up with eye bags, I guess I gotta cover them up. So I just took that closest concealer, the same one that I used for spot concealing, and I'm gonna just drag it out and just blend that shit under my eyes as good as possible. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier setting powder because it's like not got any type of like brightening, like it's not a pink powder, you feel me? So I don't know, it's like the most natural, I guess. And then just make sure that we don't have any creases, so that there's no evidence of fucking makeup. I'm gonna make sure I blend, and I'm gonna try my best not to fucking blink or look down, and just set under my eyes. Make sure you don't fucking look down because it's bad luck and you're gonna get pregnant if you do. Then next for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use that same eyeshadow palette that I use for my eyebrows. I'm gonna just go in with this pink mauve color. I'm gonna just run that all over like my eyes basically, just to like blend in like the natural color on my eyes. I'm almost like tempted to put a little bit of that chocolate on top, but I feel like this look is actually like a form of fucking torture for me because like and of course it comes on like dark as fuck. What the hell? I even tapped it. Oh hell no. This is my downfall. I'm gonna just take my time and blend the fuck out of this because that wasn't supposed to happen. And maybe like rub it off. And maybe cover it up with that pink again. I don't know. I shouldn't have put that brown on. Alright, since I literally can't help myself and I swear they be thinking that we wake up with like eyeliner and shit too, I'm gonna use this Milk Infinity eyeliner in outer space. Just like a black gel eyeliner. And then I'm gonna just kind of go making like a baby thing. And I'm not gonna like drag it all the way in, like I'm literally keeping it on like the outer third of my eye. On top of that, I'm gonna smudge it out a little bit so that it looks like less harsh, and then like when I put mascara on, it'll like blend in better. You feel me? I'm also gonna go in like and tightline the inner corner. And it's gonna take everything in me not to put anything on the bottom, but I'm really gonna not do that, even though I really fucking want to because that would look so cute. I might just like do it after, honestly, like after this video. Because the fuck do I look like walking around looking like this? No shade to the girly side too though. Alright, I think now it's time for some mascara. So I'm gonna curl the lashes first because I also think we just wake up naturally with like curly lashes, and then the girls that don't wake up with curly lashes, they think they're just like not the chosen ones. And they be saying that women are delusional. I'm like, y'all are fucking delusional for this though. And then I'm gonna go in with this Milk Kush mascara, and I'm gonna just go literally straight in and start coating my lashes. So I'm also doing bottom mascara. What I am gonna do though to make sure that my skin looks extra flawless is I'm gonna use this foundation powder. It's in Cloud Set, or no, it's the Cloud Set powder in Breezy. And I'm gonna put that on my chin because it just gives like a little extra like filter type look. I don't know how to explain it. Now I feel like all that's left is like highlight pretty much, so I'm gonna just highlight my brows and a little bit on my nose. And then I'm gonna just put it on my cheeks with this like fan brush. Next I'm gonna use this Morphe setting spray because I feel like it's gonna melt everything together and make it look more like skin, I guess. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what the fuck just dropped. just know I'm irritated. I'm using this MAC lip liner in Stone because it's literally like the lightest one that I have. And then for the lips, I think like all I'm gonna do is this Dior lip glow oil because it's not really like a color, it's just like, yeah, this is literally the clear gloss. It just turned pink because I don't know, because I've used it before 1,000 times. I feel so girly, like who am I? I'm gonna also just take this Marina Scott Cosmetics water resistant faux freckle pen, and I'm gonna just like cover up all the little like 3D pimples that I have basically and turn them into moles. Right, I guess I can take this down now because that's really it for the makeup look. Who is she? I literally don't even recognize myself right now. Like, first of all, moment for the side bang because I never do side bang, and then second of all, this makeup. I feel so girly and like feminine and like soft and like let me get out of this like sweatsuit real quick. But yeah, this is basically the final look. I'm gonna zoom you up so you can really see what's going on here, even though it's not much. If I would ever wear this out and a guy's like, oh my god, you look so like cute and natural, I'm gonna be like, yes babe. I don't wear makeup, I just wear like mascara and some lip gloss. Watch them believe it. I'm ready to go on a date and fool somebody's son and tell them I have no makeup on. I guess since I like kind of know how to do this hairstyle, let me know if you want a tutorial on how I did it because I can definitely show you. I was just like nervous because it was my first time and like I didn't even know if I was gonna like the side bang. Like that's why it's kind of like a light side bang because like girl, if I did that swoop from like over here, like shit would be looking crazy. So alright, that's it. Let me know what you think, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.